Do you want to stop being just a viewer on Poppo Live and start building a real income stream? Most people watch the streamers make money and they watch the agents cash out big commissions. They think it's complicated. They think it's hard. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you become a Poppo Live agent, what it takes to keep the account, and how much money you can actually make. Let's get into it. Becoming an agent isn't just about signing up. It's a process. But don't worry, I will walk you through the 5 steps. Step 1, you have to download the Poppo Live app. Phone if you're in India and grab your unique Poppo ID from your profile. Step 2, head to the official agency registration link. You will fill out a form with your ID, name, email, and phone number. Step 3, you need to verify your account. They'll send a code to your phone or email. Punch that in and you unlock the dashboard. Step 4, set up your agency. This is where you brand yourself and your logo, your name, and most importantly, set up your payout method. Make sure the name on your bank account matches your ID exactly, or you won't get paid. Step 5, start recruiting. Once you're live, you share your link and start building your team. Now, here's the reality check. Poppo doesn't just let you sit there with an account. You have to maintain it. To stay in good standing, you need at least 5 active hosts on your team. If you want to scale up and make real money, aim for 10 or more. Your team needs to stream. We are talking about a combined total of 10 hours a week, or about 1 hour per host per day. So what I'm saying is, within a week, there must be 10 hours streamed by your hosts. So if you have 10 hosts, you're actually on an advantaged side, because if each one of them only manage to stream 1 hour and they're 10, you already have 10 hours. And you have to play by the rules. Do not try to steal hosts from other agencies. That's called poaching, and it comes with a $10 fine. Also, no promoting third-party apps. Break the rules too much and you're banned for life. So why go through all of this? Because the upside is massive. First, the recurring commissions. This isn't a one-time payment. You earn a percentage of everything your hosts earn. On live streams, you take home between 4% and 20%. On 1-versus-1 chats, you earn between 30% and 50%. Second, you can build a team under you, invite sub-agents, and you earn the difference in commission rates on everything their team does. Third, it scales. A new agent might make $50 to $200 in their first month. But once you build a team of 15 to 20 hosts, you're looking at $1,000 to $3,000 a month. The top agencies, they clear over $10,000, sometimes $30,000 a month. But it's not just about the cash. You get to build your own business. You become a leader. You get access to a dashboard that shows you exactly what's working. You get looks like super salary to motivate your hosts, and you build a community. You're not just a user, you're an entrepreneur. Now, all of this is possible if you go and figure it out alone, but you don't have to. I'm building a team of serious agents. I will help you with the onboarding. I will help you understand the requirements, and I'll show you how to hit those commission tiers faster. So if you are ready to stop watching and start earning, there's a link in the description section for you to become an agent on Poppo Live. Click it, start your registration, and let's build your agents together.